Welcome to my channel, and today's topic is float. Float. Please subscribe it, okay? So let's start. Don't waste time, my dear file. So let's start. Today's float data type. So what do you mean by float? Float is, are you floating on the water? Is that? No. Float means, is the exact meaning is floating on the water. Example, but it's not. It is totally different in the computer programming. So float is nothing but it is a number which accepts decimal points also. Means like point something. Okay, this is the point. The maximum precision is 14 digits. Means after point you can write up to 14 digits. That is the overall concept of the float. Precision means digits after dot. Point. Point right side precision. Point left side Mantissa. Speak up with me. Point right side precision. Point left side Mantissa. Mantissa. So overall example is here. You're passing 123.4. It's like floating. So if we var dump, we already learned about var dump. It is the function we use the data type of the value variable. So var means variable, dump means it is a function which gives the data type. So now I am starting with one real time example. It is like open tag close tag php dollar x equal to 321.4. Okay, var underscore dump of dollar x. I am saving as float.php because our concept is related to float. As soon as you save, the color will be changed accordingly. So now I'm going to the float. You can see float means this is float data type. So here we are dumping the variable dollar $x. So what we got the output? Float. So this is all about float data type. It is nothing but mixture of Mantis and precision. Precision means right side, Mantis means left side. Precision holds 14 digits in PHP. So subscribe PHP starters for best videos, for easy learning, for getting job, and for not wasting the time. Thank you. Like, share, comment.